Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your password on Snapchat. Very easy, just takes a couple steps. Now, if you head over to your Snapchat application and you want to change your password from this point where you're not logged into your account, all you have to do is click on Login. And then all you want to do is put your username or email address that's associated with your Snapchat account. Sometimes even a phone number would work here, depending if you've set that up with your Snapchat account. But if you don't know your password and you want to change it, you just type in your email or username right here, and then click on Forgot Password. And then you just want to decide whether you want to reset your password via phone or email, so you can make that decision yourself for your personal situation. But let's just say via email. You go ahead and click that. And then Snapchat will send you an email basically breaking down how to change your password, whether or not you have that everything signed up. But that's how you do it for that situation. Now, if you're already logged into your Snapchat account and you want to change your password, you just go ahead and log right back in. And I will show you guys what to do once I get in my personal account right here. Now, once you're signed into your own Snapchat account, you want to go up to the top left corner where you see your account information right here. And then you want to click on Settings. And then you'll see an option for password. You want to go ahead and click there. And then to set a new password when you're logged in, you have to enter the current password first. So I'll go ahead and do that. Once you have that done, you can click on Continue. And then here you're able to set a new password. Now they recommend that you use a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers and symbols to make your password. But you can go ahead and make a new password here. I'm personally not going to change mine right now. But you just put in a new password. And then when it's done, you just click on Save. And then you'll be good to go. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to change your password and where to change your password on Snapchat, depending on your current situation. I really hope I was able to help. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.